Now, a plea has been filed in the Allahabad High Court seeking a stay on the narco test recommended by the SIT on the victim's family in Hathras. That's a big update there coming in this entire case. Earlier, remember, with regards to this entire case and the developments that have happened, the state government had sought a narco test on the accused complainants as well as on the suspended cops. And Mirror now, while speaking to the Hathras victim's family, the victim's family said while they're not very happy with the SIT probe, they're also unwilling to take the narco test that has been sought by the Uttar Pradesh government. Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi for all the updates now coming in this entire case. Meenakshi, can you take us through the details there of this plea that has been filed in the Allahabad High Court seeking a stay on the narco test on the family of the victim?
Well, that's right, Apurva. This is the first petition that has been filed in the Allahabad High Court, which is challenging the ordering of a narco test, especially on the aggrieved family of the deceased victim. And this is happening in the backdrop of their existing case laws in India after the May 2010 judgment of the Supreme Court, which clearly says that narco test and any such lie detector test is impermissible unless and until consent of the person who has to undergo such a test is obtained, and that consent has to also be obtained before a relevant magistrate. So in these facts and circumstances, the very ordering of the narco test in this particular case, and that too against, or rather the narco test on the members of the aggrieved family of the deceased victim, is something that the PIL is citing. And clearly, Apurva, there exists a lot of precedent case laws in India, including this three-judge bench ruling of the Supreme Court from May 2010, which holds any such conducting of tests like the narco polygraph test as being completely violative of personal liberties and also impermissible in several other provisions of the law. So how was it that without first obtaining the sanction from a relevant magistrate or the consent of the parties in this case, that a narco test to begin with was even recommended, Apurva?
All right, Meenakshi, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates there.